This is your first look at G-Electrical for DraftSight. G-Electrical is a DraftSight plugin. When installed, the software creates a menu in the DraftSight interface with all the electrical tools. All the DraftSight menus are kept, only the G-Electrical menu is added. Let's open a sample project of G-Electrical and see here on this motor starter drawing all the components such as coils, circuit breakers, power line communication and others. The pages are distributed in the project. We can easily insert the cover page and also the legend and terminology of components used in the project. You can access the page properties, fill in information and create custom properties for each one. You can give names to pages, for example cover and symbols table. Generate the table of contents with all the pages, properties and revisions. Inside the G-Electrical project, the pages can be distributed and managed with the interface of the software. Like here, where we see a motor starter using PLC. Let's update the drawing and add a new component from the G-Electrical library. We can browse the library looking for a new component or use the search tool. We can search for a parameter, the name of the manufacturer, or a manufacturer code, and the component will be displayed in the interface. Let's select an auxiliary device, an auxiliary contactor. We just drag and drop into the drawing and the component tag will be updated automatically. It is also possible to use a wire library to connect the components. Look how easy it is to connect this wiring. Done. The wire potential is already updated. We will also update the wiring by connecting directly, and we have a predefined wire signal. Inside the G-Electrical interface, we can manage all the equipment through this interface called Component Palette. We can see the new component added to the project and insert a contact to this one. Let's check here the new component added to the project and include a contact of this new component. It's very easy to insert a new contact. A connection is made automatically. All the cross-references in the drawing are added and updated online. In the G-Electrical menu, we can use other functions like the wire numbering. We can create the wire numbering in the project by predefined rules. Done. All the wires are numbered automatically at the same time, based on the defined electrical rules. It's also possible to create the wire cross-reference in the drawing. All the wire cross-references are already entered and shown in the schematic diagram. In the G-Electrical interface, it's also possible to automatically rename components according to the rules of the project. We can manage cables and their connections. We can manage terminals included in the project and define where they are connected. And we can manage all the wires included in the diagram, such as connections and wire functions. G-Electrical is a software that allows generating an automatic report by exporting the data. Let's export the component information following the defined rules. From the selection of standard or custom properties, we can create reports. All the reports are created in the XLS format and the information is created following the properties predefined by the user. G-Electrical allows the automatic creation of pages and documents required by the local standards for the entire project. Thanks for listening. You can download a free trial version of this software from graber.com/G-.